redeem Visa gift card on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to redeem your Visa gift card in your Cash App account. So first of all, just open your Cash App, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and from here just scroll down and click on linked banks, and here you will be able to see the option called link debit card. So just simply tap on it, and on this page, instead of adding your credit or debit card, you simply have to enter your Visa gift card details over here, like your Visa gift card number, your expiration date, CVC code along with your zip code. And once you enter your Visa gift card details over here, just simply click on link card, and after that your Visa gift card amount will be added in your Cash App account as a default payment method. Then you will be able to add your Visa gift card amount in your Cash App account easily by just clicking on this banking icon right here and just simply click on add cash, and this way you will be able to redeem your Visa gift card in your Cash App account. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.